Okay. So यसको मतलब के भयो भन्दाखेरि median is also a measure of centrality and center of the data. And median is less sensitive to outliers. Okay, so that's the okay. Median कसरी निकाल्ने? First, we need to arrange the data in either ascending order, descending order. होइन अनि त्यसको त्यो चाहिँ middle है, middle point है, गन्दै जाने अनि so as you can see here गन्दै जाँदाखेरि चाहिँ जस्तै यसमा very intuitively हेर्नु हो भने so the idea is very simple है. यताबाट हेर्नुस् है, यसमा यताबाट 1 2 3 हैन, यताबाट 3 यताबाट 3 है. सो ठ्याक्क मिडलमा भयो हैन, यहाँ यताबाट 3 यताबाट 3 है, ठ्याक्क मिडल पोइन्ट है. ओके, सो जस्तै गरी तपाईको एउटा सो इभन नम्बर्स छ भने तपाईको यसलाई एभरेज गर्नुपर्छ. जस्तै यसमा so if I have say अब एउटा अर्को डेटा छ थपियो भनौँ say let's say 8 है, एउटा अर्को डेटा थपियो 8 भयो भने अब के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि so total
n by 2
n by n would which is so यस्तोमा यसरी गर्दा पनि हुन्छ. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 आठवटा छ, आठवटा छ भने चाहिँ अब के भयो भन्दाखेरि चारवटा भनेपछि यसरी गर्दा पनि हुन्छ. 4 यताबाट यता 4 हैन, 4 यताबाट 4 अनि यताबाट 4. Did I do it right? Okay, so rather okay, n over 2 गर्यो भने भनेको 8 over 2 4 हुन्छ हैन. यसमा चाहिँ एभरेजिङ गर्नुपर्छ हैन. एक्सक्युज and okay, so yes, अब यसमा चाहिँ तपाईको यताबाट यताबाट आयो अनि यताबाट 4 आयो है. सो यो गेट अब यहाँ अब यहाँ चाहिँ मिडल पोइन्ट खोज्नु पर्यो नि. अन्त 4 र 5 भयो हैन, भनेपछि यहाँनिर हामीलाई चाहिने भनेपछि हाम्रो के हुन्छ 4 + 5 / 2 यसको एभरेजिङ गरिन्छ कि भन्दाखेरि 9 over 2 is equal to 4.5 हुन्छ. यसको मिडियन चाहिँ 4.5 हुन्छ है. ओके, कुरा बुझ्नु भयो है. ओके, so that's median है. So okay, all right, so let's see. Okay, अब चाहिँ okay, I want to get the median of summer days. Okay, how about that? Okay, I want to get the median of rainfall on summer days. Okay, so median of rainfall during the summer. Okay, summer भरिको मात्रै है, यो चाहिँ टोटलको होइन, summer भरिको rainfall during the summer. So all I need to do is, because we have already we have the mask, right? Mask sunny. So if we do np.sum, okay, and summer garyo bhane kati huncha, most probably it will be 89 days also. So 89 days summer ko days bhayo, right? Okay, so can we get the okay, can you suggest what should I do to get the median of rainfall during the summer?
np.median inches with the summer.
Inches. Very good. Okay, summer. Okay. So all you need to do is, because and summer when it mass ko, right? And inches mass didiyo भने उसले चाहिँ खाली summer को मात्रै data subset गरिदिन्छ. अनि ठ्याक्क त्यो स्लाइस गरेर निकाल्दिन्छ है. summer को जुन 89 days को छ नि ठ्याक्क त्यति मात्रै सट्ट निकालेर हामीलाई दिन्छ. अनि त्यसको median निकाल्ने हो भनेपछि let's see. Notice the 0 आयो. Okay, why is it 0? Okay, so if you do this and say inches summer, right? Let's see. You understand? So most of the data 0 छ. अब यसलाई तपाईले है अब यसको years अब यसलाई चाहिँ first thing we need to sort it, right? Let's sorting गरेर हुन्छ है. np.sort, is that right? np.sort inches है अनि summer. Let's try this. Right? Okay, so sorry, summer. All right, so if I do this, let's see that. So this is what we get, right? Of यसको median के भन्छ? Of course, clearly के छ? यसको midpoint के छ? midpoint मा के छ हामीले गर्नु पनि पर्दैन 0 छ of course हैन सो हामीले अब यताबाट गर्दा जस्तै 89 डेज छ भने करिब 45 है 40 around roughly 45 मा हैन तपाईले हेर्यो भने ठ्याक्कै यसको मिडल पोइन्टमा सबै 0 छ somewhere around here so we don't have to even calculate right does it make sense can you rain ma ekdamai कम पानी परेको छ हेर्नुस् त there are very few days that had rain like how many 13 days right 13 days or 14 days right all right so clearly के छ भन्दाखेरि यसको median it's 0 right median is 0 okay all right so यसको अब यसैमा हामीले so if you get mean के हुन्छ okay so how about just like that okay a mean of rainfall during summer good so just like you know median को ठाउँमा mean राख्दिनु है mean हेरौँ त let's say 0.03 right okay all right so all right त्यो पनि भयो है okay so I've shown you that so maximum okay so summer भरिमा सबभन्दा बढी rainfall कहिले परेको छ के गर्नु all I need to do is np dot max हैन np dot max which is summer हैन isn't that right okay. If I do this then I'll get the summer भरिमा maximum rainfall 0.85 inches right okay what's the minimum of course minimum is 0 right minimum is 0 okay so let's see you can do all kinds of this okay. So okay median prediction non-summer days okay let's try one more median rainfall non-summer days median rainfall कसरी निकाल्ने do you want to try non-summer days or what's it try गर्नुहुन्छ okay np dot median of course हैन okay np dot median and then what should I do which which is अनि masking गर्दाखेरि मैले के गर्नु पर्यो
Not summer.
very good right tilde भने not हैन not so I hope that should do it non-summer days company let's just see rather summer not summer actually let me quickly show you this summer not summer गर्दाखेरि जुन ठाउँमा अब यो चाहिँ हेर्नुस् है जुन अघि ट्रु थियो यो समर डेज त्यो फल्स समर डेज सबै फल्स भयो कि है नटले के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि जहाँ ट्रु थियो त्यहाँ फल्स बनाइन्छ फल्सको ठाउँमा ट्रु बनाइन्छ है सो जस्ट यो ठ्याक्कै फ्लिप भयो कि इट्स अल फ्लिप्ड है क्लियरली यसमा पनि अघिको जस्तै सो नट समर दिस इज नट समरको अनि हामीले मिडियन निकाल्यो भने अफकोर्स है सो not summer ko median निकाल्यो भने of course it's going to be if you do this है यति मात्रै हेरौँ है so यसमा अब यसलाई अझ np dot sort गरेर है sort यो चाहिँ नन समर डेजहरुको मात्रै डेटा हेर्यो भने so you will see this है it's not supposed to be 0 what happened oh wait यो माथिको सबै डेटा आएको छैन यहाँ सबै डेटा आएको छैन so yeah there's a lot of 0 anyway so middle point 0 नै हुन्छ okay all right so anyway okay what else can we do let's see okay we got okay Okay, okay. So I'm isma I'm right? So how about this? Right? The final analysis. Okay, median of non-summer days, with rain, right? With rain, right? Okay. So you got me. The median of non-summer days. With rain, without rain. सब पहिले थियो अब हामी के गर्ने भन्दाखेरि खाली खाली अब rain भएको मात्रै है rain लाई मात्रै लिने है. So there are many ways to do it, right? But we can do it this way. यसैमा नन समर एउटा यो मास्क भयो अनि अर्को यसैमा एम्परसेन्ट गरेर हैन अनि त्यसपछि अनि एम्परसेन्ट अनि रेन है रेन किनभने रेनी हामीसँग रेनी छ रेनी मास्क छ हैन यो गरिदियो भने I think it will work, right? So
Just rain.
Okay. Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, so this is not okay. Yo, median. So rather np dot median. Okay, np dot median. And inches summer, not summer, and rain. Okay. I think this should work, right? Is that right? Right? Takes it. So yeah, 0.2. त्यसले किन भन्दाखेरि अब हेर्नुस् है यो दुईटा समर एन्ड रेनी है तपाईको यो let me quickly show you है त inches है अनि त्यसपछि not summer, okay, not summer okay and त्यसपछि and ampersand bitwise operator है अनि ampersand अनि rain यो गरेपछि हाम्रो सबै non summer daysहरुको र rainy days मात्रै आउँछ. Right? See, zero छैन. It's all non-summer days and rainy. Right? Of course, you can get median now. Median लिन्छौं. Okay, so np dot median and okay, which is supposed to be different. If you get mean, right? Mean, okay, 0.33. Right there. Okay. All right, so so far so good. Okay, any questions so far? Think so? Okay, so can we proceed on to the next topic? Next topic. So next topic is called is fancy indexing. Right? Fancy indexing, it's just like a simple indexing we've already seen, but we pass arrays of indices in place of single scalars. Okay? This allows for quick access and modification of complicated subsets rates value. So for fancy indexing, fancy indexing is makes your job so much easier. Right? The way simple subsetting of your data subsetting plus your access kernel, right? Array, it works just in array. You list you say you use a numpy or my convert than a fancy indexing. Right? So let's quickly look at this. Say okay, I'm going to just copy and paste. Right? So this is data create material. Here. Okay, so so this is just a data. See, this is random data. Okay? This random data. Okay. Of ISMA. Okay, so I want to get, for example, I want to get this one. Right? Of ISMA ISMA you say you like 14, 20, and 74. Right? 14, 20, 74. It's so simple. Say I want 14. What did I say? 14, 20, and 74. You do it as the 86. 14. I want to access. Right? 14, 20, and 86. Right? So look at how easy it is. Right? So all I need to do is x and square bracket and this specific I need to give another square bracket and this is index over again. Okay, what's my index for 40? 0, 1, 2. Index or 20 okay. 2,
5,
3, 4, 5. Very good. Right? Or quick check, 86.
7.
7. Okay. Okay, so 20, 86, 7, right? Okay, very good. Let's try it out. Yeah. So did I get that? Yes, right? 14, 20, 86. See? Oh, quite simple, understand? You core list term gonna right? So it makes so much simpler, right? The middle of accessing data. This makes it fancy index. This is called fancy index. Yes, right? Fancy index. Right? This is fancy index. Okay. All right. So so otherwise, while you keep on portfolio, of course, if you didn't have if you did not have a fancy index, within Thielman, see, we'd have to do it this way. X, yeah? You'd have to do it 2, comma, and of course you need to make it array, right? In the array form, right? So it's a 5, comma, X, and then 7. So I'm basically going to put NP array. Okay, so I'm basically going to put the same result okay? See, look at the got the code duplication, got the botch here, understand? So you got the you compare this, right? You understand? You like compare, you compare, understand? Of course, this is much neater, right? Concise, and then very intuitive. It makes your job so much easier, right? Okay, so this is what fancy indexing analyzing. Okay, so this gives you this convenience. Okay, all right, so that's what fancy indexing is. Okay, so let's see. All right, so okay, we can do your data results and result is in the shape of the index, right? Indices or index, hey, indices, right? Indices go just to shape, shape of the data. Say, let me show you, right? So this is X, right? So if I do my indices is equal, for example, is for example, मेरो चाहिँ यस्तो खालको index है. Say my यसमा चाहिँ मैले 0, right, comma 2, comma, if I do say 5, comma 7. These are indices. 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 Okay, so this is indices shape. This is that shape. It's 2 by 2. Okay. Rather your it's a shape. The list shape now. Anyway, you're 2 by 2, right? 2 by 2. So if I do X indices, right? Indices, let's see. Too many indices per array. Array is one dimensional. 1 second. So maybe I can put it. I need to put it in an array. Array mark. Yes. Okay. So yeah, list like on there, right? So I need to put it in an array. So let me do that again. Okay. So indices. Indices like np array. Okay. Indices. Indices. Our indices. That shape. So it's 2 by 2%. Now I suppose it should work. Okay, then let's see. X and indices. Okay. Okay, let's see. Yep. So you understand? When we skip indices go your data I understand. So I'm the data kitchen, understand? Indices kitchen. And let me print it out for you. So 0. 0 my case 0 51. So yes, that's right. 2 my case 0 1 to 14. 5 my case 0 1 2 3 4 5 20. So yes, 7. Right? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 86. Yes. When we say तपाईँको X चाहिँ के छ one dimensional array हो तर हाम्रो indices चाहिँ के छ 2 by 2 को 2 dimensional array छ र हाम्रो result केमा पायो दाइरे array को जे shape छ array को shape जे छ त्यही shape मा exact त्यही shape मा चाहिँ हाम्रो data पायो हाम्रो result पायो है. Does it make sense now? कुरा बुझ्नु भयो? ठिक छ बुझिरहनु भएको छ
हजुर सर
Yes, sir.
Excellent. So okay, so in multiple dimensions, right? So let's try this out. Fancy indexing about one dimensional number. So let's do that. Okay. Okay, fancy indexing in multiple dimensions. Hey, multiple dimensions. Okay, so let's do this. So if I say R is equal to np dot a range, okay. So what I'll tell you 0 to 11 dot reshape okay. And let's say 4 by 3 reshape 4 by 3 it works. All right, so okay, yo भयो अब यसमा let's do some fancy indexing on this one right there. So let's see over के हुन्छ let me do this and see I'll just copy paste in the interest of time. Okay, so if I do this, so I'm row recall. Okay, so यस्तो छ let me show you from the beginning. R यो छ row यो छ है call यो छ right. So now what is the result? Right? What is the result? Okay. So it'll be okay. Let me show you the result. Okay. Basically, R right, row comma column right. So R right, row also of course columns right. So let's see. So, okay. Well, let's see. 3 by 4. Okay. So now, yeah, the out of bound line. Well, let's see. 4 by 3. 4 by 3 you using building. So rather, let me fix that. Go back and fix it. 3 by 4 so that it works. I don't want to change that example. 3 by 4. Okay. So now this is my error. Okay. Again, this is row. Okay. I think this was equal. Okay. So now let's find out. Okay. R row call. Okay. Row comma call. So now here, 2, 5, 11. You can see okay. Let's quickly analyze this. Okay. So let me take a snip. Okay. So let's quickly analyze. Right. So let's see. Okay. So okay. So over यसमा के छ हेर्नुस् त row र call छ है भनेपछि yes look at this. Right. So 0 to 1 1 or 2 3. Yes, center. Row 0, column 2. Right. First pair. 0 2. First pair. Second pair is 1 1. Row 1 छ, column 1 छ. Third pair के हुन्छ 2, 3. Right. Does it make sense? Each is a pair. Right. You're supposed to pair. These are pairs. Right. So now 0 2. Which one is 0 2? Well, let's put those 0 1 2 index. Right. Right. It's 0 1 2. Right. Your index raha. So 0 2. Of course. So row 0, column 2. Row 0, column 2. Intersection case 2. Right. 2 I. Yes. 2 I. Right. About 1 1. 1 1 my case. Let me use a different pen. Okay. Okay. Row 1. Okay. Column 1. The intersection 5 much. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's try another one. About 2 3. Row 2. And column 3. Intersection 11 1. And that. Okay. Makes sense? Except bujiran.
Yes, sir.
Simple, sir. Very simple. All right, so let's go back here. What else we got? Okay. All right, so the pairing of indices in fancy indexing follows all the broadcasting rules, right? So let's try this, okay? So if I do this, understand? So let me try this. Right? So again, this is my array, right? And just copy paste. So x rather x to my array. Yeah. So array row colon np new access to call, right? So okay, let's figure it out. Right? So is this one. Now what happened? Right? Okay, let's quickly figure it out. Right? So all I need to do is this. Okay. So let's take this part. Okay, Abhisma, let's see what's going on here. Okay, well, let's figure this out first. Your part figure out, right? So row colon np dot new access. Okay, rather we need to know what row is, what column is, right? One thing is so row array 0, 1, 2. Okay, row my kids, row think it's 0, 1, 2, 0, 1. We call kids, let's see what's in call. Call my kids 2, 1, 3. Right? 2, 1, 3. Right? Okay, so we got row, we got call. Right? We got row, we got call. Right? So now, so what are we doing here? So row, colon, and period new access. यो के आउँछ यो कस्तो कस्तो शेपमा आउँछ यसको It's a
column vector
column, yeah, that's right, है column vector भनेपछि यो चाहिँ कस्तो हुने भयो भन्दाखेरि अब यो चाहिँ it comes in this form, right? 0, 1, 2 हो, is that right? अनि कल त हामी चेन्ज गरेको छैनौँ, कल त 2, 1, 3 नै हुन्छ, ओके 2, 1, 3 नै हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि अब ब्रोडकास्टिङ है, ब्रोडकास्टिङ let's do some broadcasting है, ब्रोडकास्ट गर्दा के हुन्छ दुवैलाई ब्रोडकास्ट गर्नु पर्यो नि हैन, ओके सो हामीले दुवैलाई ब्रोडकास्ट गर्दा के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि यो चाहिँ रो भयो, चाहिँ कल भयो है, रोलाई ब्रोडकास्ट गर्नु है भनेपछि कति बाइ कतिमा जानु पर्ला दुवै
3/3
हैन, यो पनि 3/3 हुनु पर्यो, यो पनि 3/3, कलम पनि 3/3 गर्यो भने ठ्याक्क सजिलो मिल्छ हैन, भनेपछि now we'll have what 0, 1, 2 0, 1, 2 0, 1, 2 है, यतातिर के हुन्छ भने 2, 1, 3 2, 1, 3 and 2, 1, 3 है, right? So अब यो भएपछि now है, अब चाहिँ के भयो पेयर्सहरु के हुन्छ अब resulting pairs, let me use a different pen. So resulting pairsहरु के हुन्छ भन्नुस् त, अब फर्स्ट पेयर के हुन्छ 0, 2 हो, 0, 2, second pair के भयो 0, 1, is that right? हेर्नुस् त, अनि थर्ड पेयर के हुन्छ 0,
0, 3
है, अब सेकेन्ड रोमा के भयो 1, 2 है,
1, 2 1, 1
1, 1 अनि
1, 3
very good है, अर्को फाइनली 2, 2, 2, 2 अनि
2, 1
2, 1 अनि त्यसपछि
2, 3
2 है, यो सबैले बुझ्नु भएको छ हैन, यो र यो एउटा पेयर बन्यो, यो र यो अर्को पेयर, यो र यो अर्को पेयर है, लाइकवाइज है, अब यो गर्दाखेरि अफ कोर्स अब 0, 2 मा के छ हेर्नुस् त, सो लेट मी there's a indices है, 0, 1, 2 for indices 0, 1, 2 है, okay, अब यस्तो छ भने of course 0, 2 what is 0, 2 row 0 column 2 है, row 0 column 2 let's see है, row 0 column 2 intersection 2 मा छ है, we got that है, त्यसपछि है 2 yes that's right, अर्को चाहिँ 0 जस्तै let's randomly pick है, I don't want to go through all of them 2, 3 जस्तै यो चाहिँ हेरौँ 2, 3 है, 2, 3 हेर्दाखेरि now row 2 column 3 this is intersection 11, yeah that makes sense
11.
right? Okay, let's try this यो try गर्नु है, 1, 1 है, 1, 1 मा के छ हेरी 1, 1 so row 1, intersection 5, sir. Yes, right, and so on. Okay, you could have buzzed by tomorrow.
Yes.
Right then. So okay, so okay, so combine indexing. So let's see how much we got in penciling. Okay, so let's do this, right? We're go attendance Korea, so that I'll stop the record, pause the record. Yeah. Okay, so let's do this. Right, fancy indexing can be combined with indexing schemes that we're familiar with. Right. So okay, so let me just copy this. Yeah, like copy, you know. I'm going to use that right here. Right. So let me do this. I have this array. Right. So away from x to 201. Right. What do you think? Can you guess the result?
in 8, 11, 10, 8, 9.
10, 8, 9. Okay, let's see. 10, 8 or 9, sorry. 10, 8 or 9. Huh? Okay, let's see. Excuse me. Number row change, row change 2 by 0, 1, 2. The final row. Your last row, Leo. It's 201. You see 0, 1 to 10. Yes, that's right. Right? 0 by 8 ayo. And 1 by 9. Okay. Yes, that should be great. Yes. Excellent. Right? Okay. So, right? So yeah, that's right. Right? Okay. When it's my keyboard, it's my regular and a regular your regular index of fancy indexing. You say fancy indexing boy, you say regular indexing bar. You know, it's like when you square bracket sign it. So this is regular indexing, fancy indexing. So you can mix and match. Right? Let's go. You can use a combination of regular indexing and fancy indexing. Right? Both. You can combine them together. Right there. So you can also do like this, okay, which is very, this should be also intuitive. Let's see, okay, rather. So we understand. So this is my air, okay. So let's try to make sense out of this. When it's my keyboard, understand? When you see what's happening here.
First row त्यसपछिको सबै रोबाट
Yes.
third first row.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Let me show you anyway. Okay. So it's not saying, of course, when you say this is my array, right? This is my array. It's an array. Okay, it's not say one column. This is one column. Right? One column when you skip one, right? Take the using first row. And your any specific column. The row must keep on one column, one when we see 0, 1, 2. Right? Your one, yeah, the key say tolos of Belino. Right? The Belino when we see key, of course, we can take these two. Right? The DTI and this must be column 3, 1, 2. Column 3, 1, 2. Right? When we see, it's a 0 rather, yeah. A column 0, 1, 2, 3. So, right? When we see, I'm going to 3, 1, 2. Right? 3, when we see, let me get another 3, and this is 1, 2, and right? 3, 1, 2. First one 3, when we see 7, 11, right? Right? 3, okay? Or say second make it 1, 1 when we see you right? 1, right? When we see intersection 5 and 9, that's what you get. Right? And finally 2, sir, right? 2 when you your intersection 6, 10, sir. 16, right? Okay. So I hope it makes sense, right? Takes a, all right. So let's see. I think we're almost done with this. Okay. So fancy masking combine. Okay, I think we have about So, 1 minute. So let me see if I can do this. Eh? ठीक है, so you say next time yeah, right? Very little time, so I won't have time to explain this, right? So ठीक छ, आज यति नै गरौँ है. So please remind me कि हैन भोलि चाहिँ we'll start from here है त. Yeah, you selecting random points from the tip अगाडि. Okay, see you tomorrow है त. No, bye.